Voice memos can be reached on any Apple product, whether it be a Mac, iPad, or an iPhone. If I look at my programs here, I'm going to do it this way, just in case you can't find it or you don't know where it's stored. I can click on voice, or I can type voice in the search up top. That'll bring me to voice memos. I'm going to record. I'm recording now. And I'm going to click done. I'm recording now. So I've recorded one, and then I can go. You'll see an arrow, a little box with an arrow pointing up, and I can share it however I wish to share it. This would be used if you want to record directions or instructions, either for your class or for a substitute as part of subplans. All right, so I'm going to take a look at how to do a voice memo recording. I do know where it is on my iPad. I have it here in Voice Memos. This can be found on Mac, as I showed you in another recording, or an iPad or an iPhone. This is a separate recording because it is the same interface between an iPhone and iPad, but it's a little bit different from the Mac, which is why there's two separate videos. So although I know where it is on the iPad, I'm going to do this as if I don't know where it is. The reason why I'm doing this is because the Voice Memo app comes almost always, if not always, with installed on the iPad. So I'm going to swipe down my fingers. The search bar comes at the top. I'm going to type Voice Memos until it comes up. I see that it's there. I'm clicking on it. Bottom left, we see the red record button. I'm now recording a voice memo. As you can see, it's timing it, and I'm going to click done. I have some edit options here if I wanted to in terms of altering. I can crop it, make it shorter. I can skip silence. I can speed it up a little bit. In this case, all I want to do is I'm going to share it. In the top middle here, we see the square with the arrow pointing up. That's the share icon for any Apple product. I'm going to click on it. In this case, I want to email it, so I'm going to email it. And it'll go up from there. As I pointed out before, one possible reason why you might do these screen recordings is to offer maybe just some audio direction for students, or perhaps they could be used with to get subplans to a substitute if you're going to be out for some reason.